Well, Madeline's getting in and out of my suitcase while I'm cleaning, and she's got all kinds of activities going on in my room. Now she's going to, I don't know what she's doing. You better sit down before you fall and bungle your head. Get back in that suitcase. Whoop, hang on. You get in there. Hang on. That's a girl. So clever you are. Yeah, are you done? You want your baby? Give your baby a ride? Vroom, 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 vroom. Yawn, yawn. Night-night, baby. Grammy's putting her clothes all away and hanging from my trip from New Mexico, and Madeline is playing in the suitcase, going, oh. Loving her baby. She's loving her baby. See her? See, smile, wave. Wave at everybody. Madeline, wave. She's got an owie on her knee. Show everybody your owie. She's trying to lock herself into the suitcase. Oh, you're funny, Maddie. Yeah, that's how you do it. Good girl. Yeah, you're so clever and so smart. You did it, Madeline. Oh, I'm the pony. Oh. You ready to go night-night? You want to take a nap? Well, what do you want? Get it. This? That? Oh, take that binky out of your mouth. It's ugly.
Press up U says up. Up is for umbrella. U says up. U says foot. Foot. U. E. Press up R. R. W. W says what? What is for window? Let's look outside. Come and visit the town again. Goodbye.
You sure have a big owie on that knee. You move around too fast. Now where are you going? Take that book out of there. Hang on.